Good morning, my dear students. Ngasigi takadumse koi ngarangi makhaduni ko. Ngarang aina formula habiti cross multiplication method se hana mamangdadi mamangi classing dadi haili mamangi chikkiba chahi dadi koi deleted portion da yawgi adubu hantak ke no ba delete tawba tawdabagi wafam khangdribanina ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯇꯥꯛꯀꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯣꯁ ꯃꯜꯇꯤꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯃꯦꯊꯠꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯍꯩꯇꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯩꯕꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯁꯟ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯔꯁꯥꯏꯖ 3.5ꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯁꯟ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ 1ꯒꯤ ꯔꯣꯃꯥꯟ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ 1 ꯃꯁꯤꯡ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯏꯔꯒ ꯊꯝꯃꯦꯀꯣ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯁꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯦ which of the following pairs of linear equations has unique solution, no solution, or infinitely many solutions. In case there is a unique solution, find it by using cross multiplication method. Hariba question na hari chikai nupu pair of linear equation mari period ko. Linear equations ke pair mari si jang ekona unique solution laibra, no solution oibra na trana infinitely many solutions laigadra. Haiba case to hana test to phone to matunga in case of unique solution laiba matamda ekoi cross multiplication method se masi sijanaraga hotkadirbani angka se ko aduna hanbagi roman number 1 da masida ekhoina hana khangadaba mana mamangda yaukibada a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 oiba tarbadi ekoi unique solution laigani adagi a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2 oiragana ekoi no solution ne aduga ahumak ratio ahumak manaraba adu taragati infinitely many solutions laigani haida mamang ta takudi yaukapni ko yengsi here se a1 by a2 haiba matamda a1 is the 1 lere se 3 lere ko 1 by 3 lere aduga b1 by b2 hydra lobo matamda kana lorne minus 3b1 minus 3 by minus 9 haibagi arthadi situ 1 by 3 haibani ko and c1 by c2 haibadi misagi minus 3 na c1 ni ko minus 3 by minus 2 na c2 ni adudi 3 by 2 aikwen huju ure madudi kaino bu therefore a1 by a2 se is equal to b1 by b2 ke manai but c1 by c2 gati manadre adu tadi koi kari case fangai sai gi matungina aikwen no solution orani adu dise hence the given pair of linear equations has no solution id solution later de ko putope aroi ko aduna sigi sida loire kaigumba unique solution lerekpa matamdani akoina cross multiplication method pangadu che ko si ereko se si mutalage mathang roman number 2 gi mu hochi ko roman number 2 the hari se 2x plus y is equal to 5 sumaina lerambase koi general form da hana onthokani sumaina 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0 hairaga sini question 1 ena thongani ko mathangna 3x plus 2y is equal to 8 habse sumaina 3x plus 2y sina from the transposition authority minus 8 equal to 0 minus ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯒꯗꯕꯁꯤ a1 by a2 ꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ b1 by b2 ꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯤ ꯄꯣꯜ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯔꯔꯣꯏ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯗ꯭ꯔꯗꯤ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯛ ꯁꯣꯂꯨꯁꯟ ꯂꯩꯔꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯛ ꯁꯣꯂꯨꯁꯟ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड पालो है and here a1 by a2 है क्या हो रहा है 2 by 3 2 by 3 अदगी b1 by b2 है क्या हो रहा है 1 लेगनी 1 by 2 अदगी therefore a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 है नहीं अनिजी मानते को अनिजी मानते बनिना इकोना hence the given pair of linear equations has unique solution ले रहा है निको unique solution ले रहे बच्चे कोई के दो बा cross multiplication method पानगने बको अदो नमजे cross multiplication method तो पाले चिको आई बुत लगे by using the cross multiplication method cross multiplication method सिजना सिको मान करी है ये x by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to y by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 है बिस्नी फॉर्मूला को सी मतुंग इन आइको जे a से सॉरी b1 से कना लौरने यो b1 से तो 1 ले रे को 1 into c2 क्या minus 8 minus b2 है जी c2 तारे को 2 into c1 है जी minus 5 ले रहे अदुगा y by क्या c1 क्या minus 5 into a2 3 minus c2d minus 8 into a1 2 लगी 1 by a1 d 2 ले रहे b2 2 ले रहे minus a2d 3 into b1 1 अगर ये कुछ है x ले रहे फिर minus 8 ले रहे इधर minus plus 10 is equal to y by minus 15 minus plus 16 is equal to 1 by 4 minus 3 है बदी सी मथक लगे को अगर ये कोई हमारे लिए x by यानी कि काय दोनों रो दोनों डी 2 तारे को अगर ये यानी कि काय दोनों रो y by 1 is equal to सिजु 1 by 1 तारे डी 1 तारे को therefore सिना सिदा पूरी कांदा x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 सिना सिपुलिटी को सुमाइन तो कना x मसुंग y की वैल्यू से पूछे सुमाइन को पॉसिबल को ना क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड को इको मथंगा ꯃꯊꯪꯒꯤ ꯔꯣꯃꯥꯟ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ 3 ꯔꯣꯃꯥꯟ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ 3 ꯒꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯠ ꯁꯣꯂꯨꯁꯟ ꯂꯩꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯂꯩꯇꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯁꯤꯀꯣ रोमान नंबर 3 की मशीन से कोई प्राइस x माइनस 5y इक्वल टू 20 हाइड्रोजन पिरम में मसे कोई ना जनरल फॉर्म द पोजीशन से 5x माइनस 5y माइनस 20 is equal to 0 सिना 1 अगर 6x minus 10y is equal to 40 in the pyramid. What did it say? 6x minus 10y minus 40 is equal to 0. Sino minus equation 2. Ko equation 1 amasung 2 lere. Sidagi koi na here a1 by a2 kaya tare yense 3 by 6 habadi 1 by 2 tare adagi b1 by b2 kaya tare yense minus 5 by minus 10 adudi se c2 1 by 2 tare and c1 by c2 हाइसी को minus 20 by minus 40 को अदु जी सिजु 1 by 2 तारे लोने मुक मानरे therefore a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2 अरे असुमाय वर्डे कोई करी है कि hence the given pair of linear equations is infinitely many solutions. They have any form. Infinitely many solutions like targeting koi putopang maroy. Kong, loiban night of a machine like Nina. Adana, a koi unique solution like what Kata Dani Kona Putokoduchi Kong. See the lower Aduga Matangi last Roman number 4. Roman number 4 से मशीन से रखें x minus thrice y minus 7 is equal to 0. In equation 1 thrice x minus thrice y minus 15 is equal to 0. In equation 2 निको अतो जिसे here a1 by a2 is equal to 1 by 3 ले b1 by b2 क्या ले रहे minus 3 by minus 3 तारे तो minus 3 ले भी ना अदु जी 1 तारे अदु जी therefore a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 hence the given pair of linear equations has unique solution like है निको अगर यूनिक सोल्यूशन लेरदी कोई क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड पान तारे को सी मुथलकी को by using the cross multiplication method. This is another yung ko x by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to y by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 sini ko adi di x by say b1 te ano b1 minus 3 into c2 kaya ano minus 15 minus b2 su minus 3 ni ko minus 3 into c1 minus 7 ko is equal to y by c1 minus 7 into a2 d 3 minus c2 minus 15 a1 1 ko ado di 1 by a1 di 1 b2 di minus 3 a2 di 3 later into minus 3 hai d1 so sumai na le ado di kamay la ko yagi mo x by sina minus plus 40 का 5 ले जाए सी minus minus सारे 21 sina y by direct umat koi minus 21 minus plus 15 mai tare ko is equal to 1 by minus 3 ma plus ta 9 ma ado je koi mathuk tam ireke ko simutha lage ado se x by sikhai bong na si 24 tagani sina y by minus ta 6 tagani is equal to sina 1 by 6 therefore x na kaya tagani sina sudah pun jadi 24 by 6 is equal to 4 punge and y is equal to sina sudah ready minus 6 by 6 habdi minus 1 tare semain to bra s की पोल sina 4 y की पोल sina minus 1 tare sini aduga sini maka tare pada question number 2 se hayeng taksi 2 word aduga cross multiplication method se kasi formula se koi chha pu ga da ni ko tare okay let us finish for today.